Hey everyone, it's Candy Jane. Today we're going to do the look I have on my eyes now with the MAC Jeremy Scott palette, eyeshadow palette. It's got 29 colors. Beautiful palette. And I'll be doing more looks with it. If you don't have it, maybe you'll win it in the giveaway. And today I tried to achieve a dewy look. I think I did. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation, and I used a luminous primer, and I also used the NYX Dewy setting spray. But I think I did achieve that dewy look. But if you want to continue to see how I did this eye look, continue watching. But please, if you haven't yet, and you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. And let's get into that video. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start our eye look with the MAC palette. And I'm going to try to use Bite the Beat as my transition color. That's the beige color on the top here. Some of these colors I've noticed in the MAC palette are not that soft. They're a little hard. I don't know what that means. They don't show up very well. For one, some are very pigmented and show up well, and some don't. So it's a hit or miss thing. Okay, that one's pretty. That's called Bite the Beat. And there's a little bit of fallout or kick up. I used my Milani primer to prime my eyelid, and then I came back over it with just a skin colored shadow all over. Okay, this is a very nice transition color. And I have the rest of my face done. Just need to do my eyes. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take, that was my E25 Sigma brush. I'm going to take a pencil brush. Let's see, I have a couple. I'll use this one. This is my Sephora 27 probably. It's starting to wear off. No, this is a drawing brush. This is Sephora 41. It's a Sephora Professional. And I'm going to dip into, it's like a burnt red color. It's called Walking Heartbeats. It's this pretty burnt red here. Let's see what that looks like in my crease. It's a beautiful, like, unusual red. It's not a bright red. See how it looks on the eye. And everybody that watches my channel knows I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to go up a little bit higher than my crease. And it blends in beautifully with that transition color. Very nice. You can see how it looks. With this eye palette, the MAC Jeremy Scott eye palette, you can do so many looks. And there's a lot of nice spring looking colors too. If you want to add a pop of color like this pretty red color. They have purples, they have blues, they have a pretty yellow, they have a few greens. There's a lot of different looks so many looks you can do with this palette. I really like that color. Okay, I'm going to take the first brush I started with, the E25. This is a good brush to have. I have so many brushes and it seems like I use basically the same ones. And I'm going to try and dip in with Endless Frequency, which is, which one was that? It's a highlight. It's like a peachy pink color right here. This color here. I'm going to take that first brush I had and just kind of wipe off the beige color. And it's a very light color. Let's see how much it, and just kind of blend in right here. Can barely see it, but I just want to blend it in a little bit more. Okay, and now I want to take, let's see which brush I'm going to use. I have this domed, let's see, it's my domed utility brush. It's the E34 by Sigma, this one. And I'm going to pick up a dark color. It's called, Beautifully Charred, and that is this color here. It's like a dark brown color, the third one from there, that one. Okay, the little shadows, they're not very big. I'm not sure how many ounces each shadow is, but I would never probably use up any of these shadows. But the lady well, I purchased it at Dillard's, and she said that if you'd buy each one of these shades individually from MAC, it would run you almost $600, she figured. It was like $570, something like that. So it was really a good deal. I'm just going to put that on the outer V area and pack it real dark right on the outside. This one is really pigmented, and that one's called Beautifully Charred. It's a beautiful brown color. And what I'm going to take, I'm going to take a clean brush. This one is my Sigma small tapered blending brush. It's an E45. And I'm going to blend that dark color into my crease. I'm going to take a larger fluffy brush. This one is my Morphe E28. I'll just blend this more. Those three are really pretty together. Okay, and I want to get, I have this little bitty brush here. I think it came with a Morphe brush set. It's a M156. It's two-sided, which I don't like any two-sided brushes because when you put them in anything, one brush always gets smashed. But I like this brush because it's good for like putting things under the eye. I want to run this beautifully charred under my eyelid. Kind of smoke it out a little bit. Half to about 3/4 of the way. Then I'm going to take, well, let me get the other eye first. Okay, and then I'm going to take that reddish color, which is called Walking Heartbeats. It's probably my favorite color in the palette. Okay. And what am I going to put on my lid? I don't think I want to go with anything too sparkly. I'm going to go with a really light color. Where's that e.l.f. brush? I like to use this on my finger normally. Let me try the brush first. This is that peach color called Endless Frequency, which is this one here. And I'm just packing that on my lid. Okay, and for a highlight, I'm going to take the very top color is called, let's see if I can read this. Ghost Story. I should have remembered that. It's just a really matte white color. let's see, there's this flat brush. And I'm going to put Ghost Story right in my arch of my eyebrow. And in the corners of my eyes. Very pretty. And that's my eye look. Okay, we're gonna add some liner. Let's see, I have this one. I think I'm just gonna, no, I think I'm gonna use that Tarte liner. I have, let's see, it's right here, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is it. So much things all over the place. One side is thicker and the other side is very fine, like this. It's just a wet liner. And I'm gonna put lashes on, but before I do that, I'm gonna curl my lashes, which I'll do. Should always curl your lashes before you put your false lashes on. This one. Okay. And you just lay, how I do this, I just lay it flat on my eye like this and just slowly move across. I don't start right in the corner. I start a little bit from the corner and I just, it's real easy doing it that way. You just lay it flat on your eye. This is the challenge here. And if you mess up, you just hurry and kind of pull it down. And that usually fixes it. Like that. Okay. I have a little bit, I'll have to touch up a little bit more shadow. But I'll finish doing this, put some lashes, some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'll be right back to end this video. Okay guys, I'm back. I didn't like the way my lids looked after I took that little bit liner off. So I went in and I ended up putting bonus track on my lid. It's like a frosty, bronzy looking color. It's really pretty. And I'll put these beautiful long fake lashes on. They're kind of long for me, but I kind of like them. This is one look you can do if you have the MAC Jeremy Scott eyeshadow palette. Maybe you might win it on the giveaway. Remember the giveaways at the end of the month. And make sure to comment under this video and under every video. The more comments you make, the more chances you have to win. And I want you to remember to subscribe. And until I see you next time, bye.